And I'm sorry, how old did you say you were?
I'm 27.
You're 27. You should not be dating 18-year-olds. No, you don't. You don't even know their date of birth. Like, you don't even know when to send gifts to the 2-year-old for their birthday because you don't know when they were born. I don't know. Does he need parenting classes or need to stop being fruitful and multiplying? I don't know. And I'm sorry, how old did you say you were?
I'm 27.
You're 27. You should not be dating 18-year-olds.
No,
I know 18-year-olds are legal under the law, but what is a 27-year-old doing with an 18-year-old? And when she was working at Jack in the Box, what employment did you have?
I still had a car dealership, so.
Yeah. And were you selling any vehicles?
Yes, I was.
All right. Who were you living with?
I live by myself. I want to have my own place.
Mm-hmm. All right. Any other questions?
Nothing based on that.
Nothing from the defense, Your Honor.
All right. The court is going to sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication. I don't know. Does he need parenting classes or need to stop being fruitful and multiplying? I don't know. But if you have children, you need to take care of your children. And taking care of your children is more than dropping money off to them for a few seconds.
No,
you cannot. No, you don't. You don't even know their date of birth. Like, you don't even know when to send gifts to the 2-year-old for their birthday because you don't know when they were born. You don't know when the 3-year-old was born. You don't know when the 5-year-old was born. You sort of think maybe the 7-year-old, maybe that's their date of birth, and the 6-month-old, maybe that's their date of birth. But you really don't know when their dates of birth are. Do they have the same mothers?
No.
How many mothers are we talking about? 5. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 children, and they all have different mothers.
Yes.
And so have those children even seen each other?
Yes, they have.
Do they even recognize themselves as their siblings?
Yes.
I highly doubt that. Here's the thing. When you start having children all over creation and they don't know that these are their siblings, for all you know, they could end up dating one of their siblings. And the reason why they don't know is because their father is just having children all over the planet. All right. 2 years deferred adjudication, the BIPP course. There's going to be regular reporting to probation by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular UAs. There's to be no contact with Sherry Garman. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Field visits. Do random one time every 3 months. Take in consideration 2022 CR 7213. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No.
All right. Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes,
and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And the court is not allowing transfer to Indiana. All right. Is there anything else from either side?
Nothing to say, Your Honor.
And here, to be successful in probation, communication is key. You need to make sure you stay in contact with your probation officer. If you feel that they're not addressing that issue, you can always come before the court, and the court will see what the issue is and address it. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.